ladies and gentlemen, gather round and get ready to meet the superstar of the herb world, the incredible, flavorful, the one and only coriander, also known as Coriandrum sativum. Uses and advantages. Coriander isn't just a kitchen companion. It's your digestive dynamo, inflammation fighter, and the ultimate flavor booster. With antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, it's like having a tiny, leafy superhero right in your garden. Watering cycle. Coriander loves a good drink, so keep that soil consistently moist. Think of it as your plant's daily spa treatment. Regular watering keeps it happy and hydrated. Season for growth. Coriander thrives in the coolness of early spring or fall. It's like the Goldilocks of herbs, not too hot, not too cold, just perfect for growing in those seasons. Harvest. Once your coriander plant is up and running, you can snip those delightful leaves continuously. It's like having a never-ending supply of green goodness at your fingertips. Soil. Coriander is a bit of a soil snob. Loves well-drained, fertile soil with a pH between 6.2 and 6.8. Give it the right foundation, and it'll reward you with lush, vibrant growth. Medicinal uses. But wait, there's more. Coriander isn't just about flavor. It's a natural medicine cabinet. Here are 5 fantastic medicinal uses of coriander. Lowers blood sugar levels, reduces blood pressure, aids digestion, supports heart health, promotes skin health. Spice up your life with coriander, the herb that's bursting with flavor and health benefits. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of coriander and let this amazing herb bring joy to your garden and your taste bud. Well, this is SMF, botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.